Hi, my name is Niklas Apellund. I'm one of the co-founders of Enfuce, working as a principal engineer. Yeah, my story started when Enfuce started. I was part of the founding team. Monica, one of the CEOs, gave me a call and said, hey, it's time. Let's do this and do it better, faster, and more globally scalable. And that's when we five started Enfuce. I'm happy when our customer succeeds in implementing our system. And this might sound boring, but I'm a tech guy, right? Because my pride is in our API and our documentation. When I see our customer implement it, they come with the right questions, they implement it in a new, innovative way. That is true happiness for me. Happiness to me is spending time with my family, my kids, my wife, being out at the summer cabin, and also my sourdough. I love baking. My favorite moment was when we flew the whole company. We have just reached 100 people. We flew them all up to north of Finland, Levi. I was sitting in the restaurant for a lunch, and I watched the queue to the buffet, and I was thinking like, oh my God, every one of these has joined Enfuce in our journey. I was truly happy.